Let's have an honest conversation. Buying medication online without proper medical supervision is risky, not because the medication itself is bad, but because your body is unique. GLP-1 medications affect blood sugar, digestion, appetite, and hormones. Without a licensed medical evaluation, you could miss important contraindications, pre-existing conditions, medication interactions, incorrect dosing, improper titration. These aren't small details. They matter. Social media advice is not a medical assessment. A comment section is not a consultation. Your body deserves licensed care. It deserves lab review. It deserves dosage guidance. It deserves monitoring. Real health decisions should be informed, individualized, and medically supervised. At Start Zion, every patient is evaluated by a licensed provider before starting treatment, because safety isn't optional, it's responsible care. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more educational videos as we walk through this journey together.